Use CodeScene's code health metric to identify tech debt in any codebase. Reveal unhealthy, complex areas of your codebase. Red code is very unhealthy, yellow code is where you've started to take on technical debt, and green code is healthy, easy to maintain. Hotspots analysis identifies unhealthy files frequently worked on, where technical debt slows productivity, adds bugs, and hurts team morale. Technical debt friction highlights the files where productivity is most impacted. Files labeled red indicate the highest friction. Visualization shows which files have the highest impact in terms of technical debt. It's a way to identify the files whose low-code health is causing real inefficiencies in your development process. These are also the files where refactoring will have the greatest benefit. Remediating technical debt in the recommended refactoring targets has a proven impact on speed development and defect reduction. When codebases are large, CodeScene groups related files into components. This lets you refactor large codebases more effectively. These files are marked in yellow.